Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game, crashing or lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to check for Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy update. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue as it can occur due to temporary glitches. Follow the steps, press Xbox symbol on your controller, then move down to Profile and System. Here choose Settings, click on System, click on Console Info, then select Reset Console, then select Reset and keep my games and apps. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, go to Profile and System, click on Settings, click on System, click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open Settings, choose Device and Connections, click on Blu-ray, select Persistent Storage, choose Clear Persistent Storage. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game. For that, press Xbox button controller, move to My Games and Apps, select See All option. Here select Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game, press Menu button, select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy official website and download the game. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do or else they'll resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.